Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of seeing my video, if it's your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by. So guys, I decided to share this hairstyle. If you can see, just simple hairstyle with my client natural hair. I did not add any hair extension. I did not add any kinky or whatsoever, just with her natural hair. So guys, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment on the video, the hairstyle, whether you like it, whether you like to do it, or you have already tried the hairstyle. Just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you have not, and on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you get notification. Okay, so what I used this look at the picture here, Cantu shea butter natural hair moisturizer, twist and lock gel. Although it's not permanent lock, temporary, as you can see. So guys, if you want to learn one or two things, just sit back, enjoy the video. Okay, please help me and watch my ads. Okay, so let's get started. if you have watched up on this time, you have given the video a thumbs up. Even if you have not, it's not that late, okay? It's not too late. It's not late at all. Just give the video a thumbs up, comment, leave a comment on the comment section, share the video, subscribe, on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified, okay? All right. Wow, just look at that. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. So I did a cornrow. I put a cornrow by the two side of her hair. Then the front one, I did the normal twist, like the back. Just look at how neat the hair is. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video.